Introduction. Symmetry is a familiar term which we use or observe in our daily life. There are many objects such as buildings, flowers, leaves, pattern or design which are symmetrical. Historical buildings, Taj Mahal and India Gate are symmetrical. We observe that if these figures are folded along the dotted line, the part of the left side of the line is exactly the part on the right side of figure. Right side part is symmetrical to the left side part. These figures are called symmetrical figures and dotted line is called line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. Linear symmetry. A figure is said to be linear symmetrical if it is identical on either side of the line which divides it in two parts. This line is called line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. Some letters of English represent linear symmetry. The following figures, design, have linear symmetry. Geometrical figures. Line segment is symmetrical about its perpendicular bisector. Rectangle or square is symmetrical about line joining the midpoints of opposite sides of rectangle or square. Equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle is symmetrical about the line segment drawn perpendicular from vertex on base of triangle. An equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. An isosceles triangle has only 1 line of symmetry. All diameters of a circle are lines of symmetry for a circle. Perpendicular segment to the diameter of semicircle at center is a line of symmetry for a semicircle. Example 1. Complete the following figures along the line of symmetry, dotted line. Solution. Example 2. Draw the line of symmetry for the following figures. A, B, C. Solution. A, B, C. Figures with 2 lines of symmetry. Join the midpoints of opposite sides of a rectangle. We observe both parts of rectangle are identical along the line segment joining the midpoints of opposite sides of rectangle. Thus, rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. This irregular hexagon has also 2 lines of symmetry. Letters having 2 lines of symmetry are H and I. Example 1. Draw the 2 lines of symmetry in the following figures. A, B, C. Solution. A, B, C. In figures A and C, there are only 2 lines of symmetry, that is, horizontal line of symmetry and vertical line of symmetry. But for figure B, we can draw more lines of symmetry as shown. Or figures having 3 or more lines of symmetry. Each angle bisector of an angle of equilateral triangle is a line of symmetry. This figure represents 3 lines of symmetry. Figures with more than 3 lines of symmetry or multiple symmetry. A square has 4 lines of symmetry as shown. A rhombus has 4 lines of symmetry as shown. All diameters of circle are lines of symmetry. A regular polygon has many lines of symmetry. Example 1. Complete the following figures along the line of symmetry. A, B, C, D. Solution. A, B, C, D. Reflection and symmetry. Reflection and symmetry both are related to each other. On folding a square paper, the middle line obtained is the line of symmetry. Similarly, place an object in front of mirror. The image formed is the reflection of that object in the mirror. The dimensions of object and image is always same in plane mirror. During reflection or when an object is reflected, there is no change between length and angle of object with respect to image. Find other letters having reflection symmetry.